Be still, my child. Where are your comrades?
They're all gone, Father. All of them died in the crash. Please, I beg you, save them.
Never forgotten. Rise and walk in peace.
It's a miracle. They're alive. You brought them back.
Thank you, Lord. We are yours.
The plane, it's back, completely new. We can go home.
I did not only restore life, I opened the path for hope.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.